name is Casie.
And we're out at WINTON School. I'm Ashlynn. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Rapare, the 7th of May.
Okay, we start the day with te kupu or te wiki, eeka,
which is te reo for fish.
As in te eeka a Maui, Maui's fish. PTA fundraiser news. Entertainment books are all due in, please. Return books or money to your classroom teacher, A.S.A.P.
Mr. T's problem solving team, you have a lunchtime session today in the group room at lunchtime. Thank you.
Hi VIZ vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. We need everybody wearing them.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in textbooks below.
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite apo'po.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay away from the mud in WINTON School. Especially you boys. We know you're out there.